English Workbook Term 2 Second Standard Lesson 2 Fruits and Vegetables. Share the correct word for the picture. Grapes, mango, carrot, onion, beetroot. Complete the sentences using the clues. Tomato, banana, carrot, apple. He eats an apple. He ate an apple. She eats a banana. She ate a banana. He eats a carrot. He ate a carrot. She eats a tomato. She ate a tomato. Circle the names of the fruits and vegetables in the grid and write. Mango, tomato, yam, radish, orange, potato, banana, pineapple. Choose and write the correct answer. I ate an apple, it was sweet. I ate a lemon, it was sour. I ate a bitter gourd, it was bitter. I ate a banana, it was sweet. I ate a tomato, it was sour. Match the fruits and vegetables based on the colors. Orange colorல orange இருக்கு, கேரட்டும் orange colorல இருக்கு. ஆப்பிள் கிரேப்ஸ் கலர்ல பிரிஞ்சால் இருக்கு, ஆப்பிள் கலர்ல டொமேட்டோ, ஜாக் ஃப்ரூட் கலர்ல ட்ரம்ஸ்டிக் இருக்கு. அதை நீங்க மேட்ச் பண்ணணும். Choose and write. It is a tomato, it is red. It is a banana, it is yellow. It is a chilli, it is green. It is a lemon, it is yellow. It is a radish, it is white. Read, sort and write. இங்க வேர்ட்ஸ்லாம் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. அதுலேருந்து ஹெல்தி ஃபுட் எது அன்ஹெல்தி ஃபுட் எதுன்றதை நம்ம சார்ட் அவுட் பண்ணி எழுதணும். ஹெல்தி ஃபுட்டில் மேங்கோ, கேரட், ஆப்பிள், டொமேட்டோ, பனானா, பீட்ரூட் இதெல்லாம் வரும். அன்ஹெல்தி ஃபுட்டில் ஐஸ்கிரீம், நூடுல்ஸ், சாக்லேட், பர்கர், பீஸா, சிப்ஸ் இதெல்லாம் வந்து அன்ஹெல்தி ஃபுட்டில் வரும். Find who am I? I am long and orange. Rabbits love to eat me. Carrot. I am round and brown. You can make chips with me. Potato. I am long and yellow. Monkeys love to eat me. Banana. I am green outside and red inside. You eat me during summer. Summerல என்ன சாப்பிடுவோம்? Watermelon. Bala has a basket. The basket is full of fruits and vegetables. He has carrots, cucumbers, tomatoes, potatoes, bananas, apples, mangoes, grapes and papaya. He goes to the kitchen to give all those fruits and vegetables to his father. Fill in the blanks with these, those. Those grapes are green. These brinjals are purple. These are yellow mangoes. Those are red apples. Read the passage and choose the correct answer. Ravi buys a lot of fruits and vegetables. He buys mangoes for his aunt. He buys apples for his uncle. He buys carrots, beans, corns and cabbages to make soup for his cousin. He also buys lemon to make lemon juice. Which of the following does Ravi not buy? Drumstick. What do you make using lemon? Lemon use பண்ணி என்ன பண்ணலாம்? Juice போடலாம். Lemon rice, lemon tea. So all of them. Do you like fresh juices? Yes. Write the names of the vegetables from the passage. என்னென்ன காய்கறி நேம்லாம் இந்த பேசேஜில் கொடுத்துருந்தாங்க? Carrots, beans, corns and cabbages. Which fruit do you like the most? Pomegranate. Frame sentences using these or those. Cabbages, brinjals, apples, bananas. These are apples. Those are bananas. These are cabbages, those are brinjals. Choose and shade the correct sentence for the picture. Pat, the little rat, hides in the bag. The fat cat runs on a mat. Sam takes a cab to the lab. The man with a black hat sat in his van. Join and write. இங்கே லெட்டர்ஸ் தனித்தனியாக கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. இங்கே ஏபின்னு கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. இதெல்லாம் ஜாயின் பண்ணி வேர்ட் மேக் பண்ணணும். மேப் அப்படின்றது அவங்களே கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. அதுக்கு கீழே நம்ம டேப், கேப், ரேப், மேன், ஃபேன், கேன், பேன், ஃபேட், மேட், bat, rat. Read and tick the correct picture. The fat cat sat on a mat. It had a cap. Third one. The man sat in a van. He had a nap. இதுதான் வேன்ல உட்காந்து இவங்க தான் தூங்குறாங்க. Sam has a bag. He puts the pan in his bag. இவங்க தான் பேக்ல பேனை போடுறாங்க. The rat ran for the hat. The hat was on the cap. இங்கே தான் எலி வந்து இந்த ஹேட்டுக்காக வேகமா ஓடுது. There is a lab. The man is in the lab. லேப்ல இந்த மேன் இருக்காங்க. இந்த ஆப்ஷன் செகண்ட் ஆப்ஷன் தான் கரெக்ட். Write the beginning and the ending letters and read the words. Hat, man, yam, mat, pan. Match the sentence with the picture. A man takes a nap. இங்கே தான் தூங்குறாங்க. The pan is black. Pan எங்க இருக்கு? இங்கே இருக்கு. The ant is on the hat. இங்கே தான் hatல எறும்பு இருக்கு. அடுத்து the yam is on the mat. Matல yam இருக்கு. Complete the sentence with the name of the picture. It is a black cat. I can see a blue hat. This is a red ant. This is a brown rat. Read and shade the correct sentence. Sam is a tall man. He has a yam. He cooks it in a pan. What does Sam have? Sam has a yam. What does Sam do with the yam? He cooks the yam. Can we eat a raw yam? No, we cannot eat a raw yam. A man saw a big fan. He took it to a van. He sat near the fan. Where did the man sit? The man sat near the fan. What did the man take to the van? He took a fan to the van. Do you have a fan in your class? Yes, we have a fan. Read and shade the correct picture. He sees a fat rat. The rat sat on a green mat. இது first optionல தான் green matல எலி இருக்கு. He has a cap. He keeps the cap on his lap. Lapல cap இந்த first imageல தான் வச்சிருக்காங்க. First option correct. There is a fan, pan and a mat in a room. The black rat ran on the mat. இதுதான் first optionல தான் மேட்ல rat போகுது. Read and shade the correct answer. I am Karun. She is Madhi. She is my sister. She has a red flower. I like her. Who is Karun? Madhi's brother. What is the color of the flower? Red. Does Karun like Madhi? Yes. Look at the picture and fill in the blanks with he, she, it. It is a red apple. This is Ramu. He goes to school. Agila plays chess. She is happy. Kala drinks tea. She is hungry. My journal. How do you prepare a vegetable salad? I clean my bowl. I wash all the vegetable. I dry it with pan. I ask my mom to cut them. I put pieces of carrot, cucumber, tomato, bottle gourd in a bowl. I mix it. I give it to my friends. Share the correct picture for the sentence. The man on a mat has a cap. First image தான் correct. There is an ant on the can. இதில தான் canல ant இருக்கு. Fill in the blanks with these, those. These are jackfruits. Those are tomatoes. Read and answer. Anbu has a bag. He has an apple, a banana and grapes in it. He makes a fruit salad. It is very tasty. Which fruit does Anbu not have? Orange. Is the fruit salad is tasty? Yes. Rearrange the words and make a sentence. Brown are those cats. மாத்தி மாத்தி கொடுத்திருக்காங்க words நம்ம arrange பண்ணி எழுதணும்னா those are brown cats. இங்க these are red caps. Second lesson completed. Thank you.